Today we will need a cuticle pusher, base coat, nail polish, and a top coat. I have already removed old nail polish and touched up the shape with the filer. Now, let's start with the base coat. Move less than 1 millimeter away from the cuticle. Starting from the center of the nail, in one movement, draw along the shape of the cuticle and nail side. Repeat on the other side and add one more stroke to fully cover the nail. After 1 minute, the base coat is dry and we can start painting the nails. Hold the brush almost parallel to the nail and move it in one direction only. Stay 1 millimeter or less away from the cuticle. Starting from the center of the nail, move in one motion along the cuticle and side of the nail. Add middle stroke. Continue the polish line along the cuticle on the opposite side. Try not to exceed 4 or 5 brush strokes for each nail. Seal the free edge. I always touch the middle of the nail with the brush full of polish before starting to paint to avoid overflows and distribute polish more evenly. Our first layer is done, and after 10 to 15 minutes we can paint the second layer. The second layer should always overlap the first layer to ensure accurate looking edges. By the way, I rarely exceed 2 layers of colored polish, so today is an exception. Just look how accurate it is. After a couple of minutes, let's apply top coat. To prevent shrinkage, always apply top coat slightly over the edge of the colored polish. Remember to seal the free edge too. I have got a little overflow here. Now is the time to use the cuticle pusher to clean it up. In one continuous motion, move the tip along the gap between colored polish and the cuticle. Clean the tip and repeat until all excess polish has been removed. Now you know how to paint your nails at home like a pro, and it is so easy. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more nails-related content.